let's add some boho and pampas grass to this really fun minimalistic scene in Photoshop. I'm going to be using the LSP White and Neutral Overlay Pack, which you can get on the LSP Actions website. This is part of the Botanical Collection. And let's do this manually without using the actions to apply. So you can watch the other video tutorials for applying with the actions. You literally just click apply and it will create a layer mask for you. And for this one, I think we've got some pampas grass on this side, but nothing on the other side. It's quite open, which does look great, but I really want to add some boho. So I'm going to add boho side brighter, I think, to this one by dragging and dropping. Just add that in. And we're done. I'll warm it up a little bit. Perhaps lighten up a touch. Bring that down, doesn't need to be that strong. And if you wanted to, you could add some blur. For this one, I think I'm going to leave it as it is, but generally they do look better in the foreground with a little bit of blur. So how about we just compromise and do a little bit there. Beautiful. So before and after, we just added even more pampas grass in. Really, really cute, really, really lovely. And I think it actually really finishes this shot if you wanted to frame it a little bit more. So you can get these on the LSP Actions website, and you can watch all of the tutorials over on the video tutorial library on the website under tutorials. Go on the overlay section and you can find all the botanics there. So I hope you love them. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.